Inside the sound called the Siffa Open Box Showcase. And tonight, you know, fire, we have a big sound all the way from the place like London. You hear me straight. I'm not telling you something, I ain't even tell him name, you know, because when him come in, trust me, a nuclear fireworks, so you mean. And you have the great selector, you know, scientists, and we call them the chemists. Because when it come to music, yo, and full light, alright, the Easy Robert T interview, big, straight. Big up cameraman, big up all the crew, all the fraternity, all the family. This is how we do it. So anyway, without any further delay, we'll start with first tune on fire. Cause you know, so before me even, in fact, selector, hold up this song. Because before me even play this tune, you know, we have to big up Lady V. Cause she put on a dance Saturday night down at the 8th Suite. Me say the place what? Ram Jam. Big up V Rocket, the machine did a fire. Big up all the fraternity, all the sound crew them, because heavy sound that play upon it did a sound good and them go on good, me I tell you straight. But we have to big up the Japanese man them, because me I tell you, so them burn fire in the place. But look out for the interview, you know, because it come soon. Anyway, selector, we ready, you know, because we don't play with it. Alright. Easy. Squeezy, make no riot. The man called Junior Mervin.
You have a bad man passing.
Original thing.
You have a good man passing.
All kind of people come and dance.
Rasta man passing.
Lord of mercy.
You have a roots man passing. Which one you want to be, son? Pick your choice.
What a tune. I say anytime you hear the tune and scientist, you don't say, I'm straight memory lane. Oh, you mean king?
Because of the wrong passing. Something's alright.
I feel big up Bugsy, you know, and the Mafia family. Also, Bossy Peter, because, yo, no generation, I tell you. Big things are going. Big up Winston Mexican and the Full Injection family. Zeki, see up on the War Report the other night, I go on good.
You have a bad man passing.
Lord of mercy.
You have a good man passing.
Old Tide Robert T.
You have a Rasta man passing.
Big interview, my brother.
You have a roots man passing.
Sound news extra to the world. But right now, it's a Siffa Open Box Showcase, so don't know. Lord of mercy.
You have a bad man passing.
All kind of people come and dance.
You have a good man passing.
You know.
You have a Rasta man passing. You have a roots man passing. Which one you want to be, son? Pick your choice.
Cause scientists, you know, say we first played this in England, you know.
So many lost their lives innocent.
I tell you. But that King Tub is when this make. Yeah. Straight up.
Please don't let your mom and daddy down.
And we play Coxon down a dig bet and Coxon play it at the end of the dance. It's a big tune and I go on with it. And my selector Crazy Joe go draw the tune back and the man them rush with sound. Cause we are little youth, we even have here on we face them time there, but easy with the terrible musical sculpture. Anyway, that is Siffa never differ. Come on, my selector, we're ready again. So here come another quick biscuit out of the caucus bag. Cause you know so we make you musically glad. Oh God. Once you big up request all to the listeners, all the viewers, them, you know, you don't know what to go. Straight. Lord of mercy. You hear it's all about the rent, you know. Pull up. Cause you know, so we don't take no check. Cause you see with all the economical crisis, enough man are struggle with the rent, you know. You'd better know. Alright. So what we have to do now? Take time on the rent. Lord of mercy. I will tell them fire. Yes, sir, McKeowa. Man can't scientists wrong, the wheels are steel. Trouble. What? The man said never dollar, never cent, you know. but him still a come for the rent.
And I know him a come with a heart full of violence. Yeah. This a big thing. True, you no know. What true, you no know. Time is getting so hard. This a big thing.
One big up boss D, Old Tight Bandit, Isaac D Rankin. All of the Siffa fraternity, you don't know what God.
I said I wake up this morning and I don't have a cent. In this time of separation,
May I tell you,
I can't even find a job to pay my mind.
why may I tell you so the music is sweet, you know, sweet rubber dub. Like the duck in the water tub. What you mean?
Oh, no. Go Peter Monte.
Easy scientist, you know, easy in general.
Come back, I surely be the president. I must have been sent. Come pay the rent.
Got to pay the rent.
I must have been sent. I can't pay the rent.
I tell you, my brother, when you ready selector, cause you know so when I shout at them. Well, listen now, I dedicate this one to all the girl them named Jacqueline, you know, because you see that tune here, a road boy tune this, you know. Remember Coxon, I play them tune at the earliest too. See me? Hear this. One big up all the sound them, you know, and the crew, all the family them. See?
Jacqueline.
Hold tight, Jamai. Always I give you a good request. Enough respect here, King. Pull up that selector. Cause it's all about the rubber dub, sweet like the duck in the water tub. Yo! Rubber dub, day. So see for sound it doesn't play. Sweet music now and every day. Yeah!
Jacqueline.
So we do it. Take time on the floor.
Jacqueline. Girl, you want discipline.
I tell you, don't remember, you know, a big celebrity guest we have in the place, you know, all the way from London, you know. Now call him name till him come in out. Yuch!
But what you get, and when you come from foreign,
How you say?
say amen.
Wanna big up the Gemini family. Old type big belly. Oh, you mean?
I'm gonna have you on a two-split and Heineken. Jacqueline. Girl, you must be well disciplined. Jacqueline. Hey, girl, you want discipline.
Yo, right now you're locked into the Siffa Open Box Showcase.
I pick you by the mountainside and I show you the beautiful spring. Now I hold on the hands, you don't want to give me no something.
Okay, selector, when you're ready again, King. Cause you know, so we have too much tune for play. But before we even go into that, you know, go on, King.
Really and truly. No second fiddle.
Dedicated to all the ladies.
Really and truly.
Come and also love this one, yeah, you know. Oh, this.
Call my name from coast to coast. Telling people how she needs me the
You hear that?
Whenever she passes by.
Hula.
Always by herself.
I want to say right now, hold on, the selector. We're not on a rush, you know, because you know our road boy when it comes to the tune thing. We have a big up Empire sound, you know, because I tell you, so the youth them going wicked. Don't get sweet the other night, but tell you, but not lie. The man them are going good and New Movement International. First me the youth them, but I tell you, so yo, the man them put on a performance, brother, straight up. So 100 to them, you see me, 100. And we rock it. Can't talk, but the machine did sound wicked. I tell you that straight up as a sound man. Straight. Oh, and dynamic. The mad African. Oh, you mean fire? And you know, so we have to say it again, you know, the Japanese, them, you know. Yo, them turn up the place. But we have to go big up also the Mighty Crown. But you know, so we have to big up Rockers because they have a big thing going with Saxon. You see me? And we have big up Winston, Mexican, kind of the big thing I go on the 2nd of December. Do be there. Do not miss that one. Yeah. No generation. And Love injection. Yo, in a one place, I trouble that my general. And you have who? All the way from Jamaica. Little John. Josie Wells. And the Mad Indian. Junior Cat. Remember me tell you, the dancer got hot. So make sure Tenor Star and Clear Angel upon the bill. I'll defend the Birmingham thing. You see me? So I tell you, this is a full loaded thing, you know, but we could have gone all night. I mention dance because pure dance are going. But anyway, a Birmingham with there. And a music we are play. Man call me a half pint. I'm going to take back my check. Check.
Still really and truly. No second fiddle. Still really and truly.
Dedicated to all the Birmingham family, all the London family from all over the place. You see me?
Telling people how she needs me the most.
All sound man them.
She always find herself with another guy.
Lord of mercy.
She will go as far to say that I'm a superstar. But girl, oh girl, I'm not a substitute lover. Oh no.
One big up Roger the engineer in the place. I rock nice and easy.
Don't take me for no substitute lover.
Hold tight, little Noah. Hold tight, Paul Ruby, original young soldier, them for Siffa, you know. Oh.
There's someone to say you're not at all. Girl, you always have an alibi. It seems to me you have an
Hold tight, Jackie, Marva, Jacqueline, Shirley, Jean. Don't say no, go on here. Yo, I rock the thing hard.
Don't take me for no substitute lover. Oh no. Ooh. Oh girl, oh girl, I'm not a substitute lover.
This happened to be Siffa open back showcase with the man called Scientist on the Wheels of Steel. You know, say that a bargain, you know, and it's not a deal. My selector very real. Remember me tell you. Straight.
Oh girl, I'm not a substitute lover. Oh no. Oh girl, oh girl.
Alright, General, when you're ready, you know.
Don't take me for no substitute lover.
Inside the late and great Frankie Paul. Remember when we first played him, you know? Hold on, selector, pull up. Give them a little history. The Hazels, you know. Both the Peter brother them are the first bring Frankie Paul to England. And I them put Siffa up on the first show. Remember them coming in white suit. And we never know so that Frankie Paul couldn't sit, we see them a lead him on the stage. But I tell you, he's a wicked singer. One of the best singers, them voice and them thing, them do enough dancehall tune. And when we play Cox in London, anyway, we not talk. What is in the dance? Anyway, selector, I could go on here, sir. We got too much history. Let it go. Frankie Paul. Dedicated to all the dancehall family, all the dancehall fans. Bam, ba, dam, ba, dam, bam. Hold tight, Willigan, Orthodox 38 family.
When I see that neon light shining bright, when you're out of sight, the way you pass me by, babe, the way you pass me by, oh yeah.
Gotta big up Robert T. Don't know, said the interview. Mad, my brother. Straight. How you mean? Give them the views and the reviews. Them just can't lose. So you mean? One big up Jalayan with them brand new machine will come out soon. Alright. Big up Father Quaker. Don't know Foundation Studio City. Mafia Tone. Oh, you mean, man? Straight. Can't forget who. Sir Christopher. Lord of mercy. Old tight Delphos and the Massigan crew. We used to listen to them down a Newtown, you know. First sound me say. Can't speak if you catch a fire in a dance. Jam Massigan. Remember me tell you.
Girl, I see you on the streets.
Okay, here we go again.
That a star would guide you my way to share with me the special day where rivers in the sky for our love.
Plup. I'm not telling you, so the place get mad on the place. So where am I go? Dedicated to all couples, all man, wife. All the man who have them girlfriend and listen to this right now, just see me.
People, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Cause what? You're in tune to the Siffa Open Box Showcase. Yes, my brother.
My scientist, you make them know you're fire.
Would guide you my way to share with me the special day.
Nice and easy.
Rivers in the sky for our love. If allowed, may I touch your hand?
I tell the music sweet.
May I once again show that you
Select that while wicked in the island. Straight.
where rivers in the sky for our love.
It's all about the love, you know. But them saying love is lovely and war is ugly. See Robert T. Rock 2 foot there, you know.
Rivers in the sky.
You know when the music hits you, you feel no pain. I know the yard rub. Yo, rubber dope. Well, I say, here comes what me call a musical classic, you know. Tell you some I love that tune, yeah. Go on, selector, we're ready again. Pull it down.
Late night blues.
Uh-oh. From the top, my brother. You know, easy selector. Late night blues. Cause them time now when Siffa used to play out of town, you know, but pack with the sound, you know. It's a late blues you look. Sometime a rockers, road show we go, gate crash. And sometime we don't Fenton Road and listen stereo classic known as Jacob. And we reach there when I left till when the milkman a come to drop off the milk. You see me? Lord of mercy. Just I tell you some mystery. Here we go. Got to find the late blues.
I'm gonna take off my shoes.
I will take time for the floorboard, yeah, right? I know. You see me?
Music eases pain and more. Music eases strain.
I hear that.
Cause when I'm feeling down and
Happen to be the Siffa Open Box Showcase where we have guests coming week in and week out. Just see me. One big up Yama Food and Imperial Face. We said them burned down the place last week, man. Straight up.
got to rock myself tonight. Got to move and groove, yeah. Oh, late night blues. Yeah. Tom, Dick, and Harry, where are you going?
One big up the Immortal family. We also have a big dance on our Sheffield. Week after next week, the 25th. Yeah. Big thing are going down there.
Gotta rock away my sorrow. Gotta rock it for tomorrow. No one knows.
I tell you back in the day, them tune them bonfire, you know. Yes. Big tune them. I can't forget my brethren, Mikey Culture from Eternal Youth. Anyway, them are the youth. Big up yourself. Young gone day. Oh yes, the scientists. Can I tell you, say, yo, the turntable them hot wrong here. Oh gosh. Easy my selector. I tell you my thing I go on. Dedicate to all of the sound massive, to all the music lovers. Here we go. All tight Spanner, Miller, she kind of family. She ain't left for them. Pull up that selector, I tell you. Cause when the music lick you feel no pain. I tell you, music in the box like rice grain. Come on, selector, let's go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Oh, we tell them now.
She says she wanna be my queen. Her name is Desiree.
Desiree, she says she wants to be my queen. Hold tight Valerie. Hold tight Velma. Hold tight Jackie. I feel big up Maxine. But Janet. What you mean? Can't forget them, you know. Hold tight Margaret.
So
I feel so after this one, selector, we're going to bring in the special guests. Alright, the general. So we're going to select, we'll play one more and then give them the special guest. Alright, okay. We're going to play one more and then we'll bring in a special guest all the way from London. We call him the New Killer. And I said no more. Yo. Just do a massive interview with yours truly, Robert T. on the Sound News Extra. You don't know. You remember this tune here? Them tune here, brethren, when we play them tune here in the days, oh God. The volume drop. Sound better, that's better. From the top selector. Cause you don't know, you have to get the tune the start it deserve, because big tune this, you know. Back in the days, we call it the kangaroo dance. Man just a skank out, you see me? Like me say we can't even skank on the floorboard week. Anyway, here we go. Lord of mercy, big up Fear Out, Jungle Crew. But he don't give me pure joke, you know, straight up. Yosh! Hold tight Bobby Bauer, my brethren, my brother. Pitching. Robert, you're a joke, I don't follow him, you know.
Yo, right now you're locked into the Siffa Open Box Showcase.
Follow. Yo, so that's a version looking. Okay. That's how we go. I'm saying we're going to bring in the guests after this. Alright. Here we go. So we tell them now. It don't feel nice, it don't feel nice, it don't feel nice. When Siffa sound a play, not sweet like sugar and spice, you don't know. Here we go. It don't feel nice. It don't feel nice, it don't feel nice, it don't feel nice. Sweet like the sugar and it's sweet like spice. Anywhere we go, you know the dance all nice. Easy selector, cause you know you have the spice. We keep the people bubbling, keep them rocking. No matter what them do, them must spend them last shilling. We hear the king sound, them keep them bubbling. Cause this a Siffa sound and we no keep the joking. So this a Siffa sound, keep the people dancing. So yes, scientists, you are one bad selector. Said anywhere we go, the dance sweet like fire. So dance it up feel nice in any corner. So with the Birmingham and with the London area, enough sound we play as a youth boat, yeah. We play Jackson and we play Java. We play Nanatin and we play Leicester. So this a sound a ramp and this a sound a jester. Did have two bad youth, one name Little Noah. Who love that selector? Wheel! No, we're done. So we're going to bring in with special guests.
Right about now, people, time to bring our special guest who's come all the way from London to spin some tune upon the Siffa Open Box Showcase. People, I give you Java. Big up. Yes, I respect every time.
Give thanks, yeah, my brother. Love every time. Yes, people, introducing to you Java, nuclear power sound, you know. Jumbo Java. We're going to kick it off with the first dub plate. And it goes something like this. So now go and listen to them something now. Okay?
Boy, you think I saw? I know so. This is it, original man Bernard Sata Collins, the Abyssinians, and King Java sound. Big up man like Father Jumbo, Talking Colonel. Big up Giant. May his soul rest in peace.
For real.
So the Abyssinians said so. Sadamasagana.
Mighty Abyssinians, go and listen.
Java had the sound from far, far away.
Rubber dub sound, you know.
Reggae music right until today. Look into the dance and you will see Java had the sound that rules the dance.
I tell you.
Java had the sound that rules the dance. The king of sounds, Java had the champion. The Dan sit up on his throne, he's the number one.
I tell you.
Look into the dance and you will see Java had the champion. Java are the number one. Him are the done.
Now as we move from that into combination two, the voice of the one.
This is
Big
the
youth.
one and only Big Youth, bigging up the big and bad Java sound.
I tell
So
you.
big up Father Jumbo and Talking Colonel. Run it, my friend.
Well, listen,
I
combination
pray.
two.
Why do the sound boy rage and the people imagine of such vain things?
We have to start with some foundation dub and then we can come up. So go and listen.
Now come let us break their bands asunder and cast away the cards from us. No leader seated till heaven shall laugh. Java shall have them in his region. For them to speak unto them in his wrath and vex to them in his soul displeasure. Because you know I set thy kings upon the holy mountains of Zion. I will now declare the decree. Java hath said unto thee that thou art thy sons this day I begotten thee. No acts of fire and I shall give thee the healing for thine inheritance in the uttermost part of the earth for their possession. Jah shall break them with a rod of iron.
I tell you.
Java shall dash them in pieces like a pot of vessel, I will say. So be wise therefore, ye sound boy, and be struck to thee five judges of this earth. Serve the mighty Java with fear and rejoice and tremble. Christian I the son unless he the anger, but perish from his ways when his wrath is kindled but a little. And so blessed be all, blessed be the mighty Java as I would say. Blessed be Father Jumbo and the talking Colonel.
As we move out to that into our next selection, now go and listen, you know, because I started from foundation and come right up. So go and listen to the Mighty Diamonds, yeah, Channel 1, because we do box deep, you know, and then we are carrying up. So now go and listen to them thing, yeah. Mighty Diamonds, listen.
A driver, you know, a big sound. Sure, what some sound boy feel like, man. Father Jumbo, now watch your face, man. Talking Colonel, sure, you want to play for years. How we a feature? No Mighty Diamonds.
Listen.
Whoa, yeah, yeah. Driver sound rule. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Driver sound will never run away. No, no, no. Driver sound will never run away. No. Driver sound, prophesy, say. Oh, yes. Sound where I go find him box behind the walls, yeah.
Mighty Diamonds. But tell you.
No driver sound come. Lord, we might go charge for cheese. No driver sound come. But see, we might go charge for yours. No driver sound come.
Mighty Diamonds.
We might go charge for murder. No driver sound come. Somebody go run till them tumble down. No driver sound come. He might go cool this scripture. Dancehall, I go be now.
Matilda.
The battlefield, yeah, yes. Driver sound will never run away.
At no time at all, you know. Rubber dub sound. Original selector, Jumbo driver sound, you know. I tell you, go and big up Godfather Giant every time. God bless his soul. Still I continue the work, you know.
Oh yeah, son, we're gonna find him back behind the wall.
Go and big up Colonel anywhere you're there, you know.
No driver.
Enough respect.
We might charge for cheese. No driver sound come.
Mighty Diamonds.
We might go charge for yours. No driver sound come. You might go charge for murder.
Cause you know, so we have holy patrol for play. So we'll show you how deep the box is. Still a continue on the Channel 1 door box. Then from there, so. No, we just are going at, you know, we start the thing from foundation dub and make you know where I go on still, you know. So here the next dub, yeah. Ernest Wilson. Go and listen. Channel 1, studio. Every time.
And the man Colonel. My name is Mr. Ernest Wilson. So big up. And the big up Java also. Yeah. Because we've got the music. Java.
Mighty Ernest Wilson, we're going down in Channel 1 studio.
Is a champion.
Listen to them, dog. Foundation.
All the things you say and the things you play can't stop Java from playing for you.
The man them want it again. And I go and listen to them, dog.
My name is Mr. Ernest Wilson. So big up.
Go and listen.
And big up Java also. Yeah. Because we've got the music. Java is a champion.
Channel 1 dub box.
All the things you say and the things you play can't stop Java from playing for you. All the try you try without a reason why. Someone, Java is the champion every day. Oh yeah, we've got the place on Boyer Lakes.
tell you.
All knows Java is number one. When you are truly one with your brothers, you don't have to prove yourself in the eyes of others.
Tell them, Ernest.
We've got music to play for you. Yeah.
As we move on to that, you know, we are juggle the things still, you know. So, hear them dub plates. Still in a channel one dub box. The voice of the one, Leroy Dan Smart. Still continuing in a channel one. Go on to them dub here.
This is Leroy Dan Smart and Das in the big sound. Java nuclear sound. Ease yourself, John Ban Connell. My selector, Leroy Dan Smart, surround that. This is Java nuclear, the champion, the number one sound. Ballistic, who tell them? We used to lick Charlie School idols two together.
Leroy Smart.
Play football and cricket as one brother. Not through your rest at jungle, or you might black a Rima. You want come fight against Java nuclear. Java nuclear and champion. Kill you boy. Ballistic affair. He will kill you anywhere. Ballistic affair. Touch you anywhere. You will tell them boys say him now. Throw when a dubs, throw away no knife. Kill them little jumpin' and out them life. Make them realize this is Java nuclear.
I tell you.
Java nuclear. Kill them dead. Kill a sound boy dead. Make them realize. Ballistic affair.
Leroy Dan Smart.
Ballistic affair. Touch you anywhere.
Touch you anywhere. Still continue in the dub box. The voice of the one, Willie Williams. Gone in a studio one now. So no go and hear them something yeah. See? Listen this. Willie Williams.
Greetings. I'm on Willie Williams representing sound called Java, Original International. Just hold tight, Jumbo, Selector. I'm talking Colonel. I just saw Willie Williams just say, not Gideon. Husha. Hey, hey, hey. Bum, 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 bum.
Studio one, Willie Williams. Go and listen.
Java, I got just out the sound tonight. Said I love and I need in the dance tonight. Cause this station head under fire. Java sound, original taking over.
Willie Williams.
Now the sound won't get no justice tonight. I won't. Said another song run cause them kids state frighties. Cause Java sound is the international. All other sound guy, I and I call them version. I boy, boom 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 boy. I boy.
Now here comes combination 2 is good for you.
And the big sound called Java, you know.
Luce.
Dance all over with roots and culture. It's a classical sound playing hits after hits. Let the show, man like Colonel at the control tower and Jumbo. Big up yourself, see? This is Lucian, I'm messing to the chord.
Luce.
Oh Lord, case Java sound. Say we must have find a place to live in this jungle created by mankind.
Voice of the one, Luciano, go and listen.
Where must I lay my weary head where I can listen? Java soon I play instead wicked. Sounds hurt are unread, oh God. And man must ensure them aid.
I tell you.
But I feel like running instead and find me a place where Java sound play.
We come combination 3.
If you see a song while running, 60 dots from Java chasing him.
Frankie Paul.
Right around the dance hall. If you hear a song while ballin', one fat man sit down in his face killing him. Him ballin' for murder. Java sound with 1 million megawatts of power and more. Blast you off more dumpling style from Frankie Dancehall Paul the old Gagal. Now jump on over yourself talking Colonel Anthem. We are gonna shame them.
They no must.
Lord of mercy. Java, I go shame them. Hey, give them something. Java, give them something. Give them something. Anthem, give them something. When I go work like no Hollywood. When time Colonel play a different song. Hear them start from the Java sound. Pick up like us, we are to come around. No, give them something, Jumbo give them something. Give them something, Jumbo give them something. Shame them, Java, I go shame them. Lord of mercy, we have done them. Java control them. Oh, yeah.
Frankie dancehall.
Make sure when you want, you have collateral. Java Town and the champion.
Now here comes combination 4. Go and listen. Because we have only parties on the one rhythm, you know. So go and listen to that piece here. The voice of the one and only. The man himself, Johnny Osbourne. Hold on. Nope. Hold on. Let's go again. Anyway, go and listen to this. The voice of the one, Johnny Osbourne. I want you to listen to that piece here. Listen.
Hey, do you know Java? No, senor. Hey, senor, it is very foolish to fight for gold. And to fight for a woman, that is rather foolish. But to challenge the Java, the nuclear sound, senor, that is more than foolish. We are done with Java nuclear. And big up Jumbo. You don't know. It's Johnny Osbourne the dancehall godfather. Say so. No. No ice cream. No ice cream. No ice cream. No ice cream sound boy. I don't want no ice cream sound. It is too soft for me. I don't want no ice cream sound. That is soft, can't you see? I want a sound that can play me rubber duck from in the morning till the dawning. You know Java is the nicest and the sweetest sound. Sound boys, you know that Java is the roughest and the toughest sound. Sound boy, I don't know no one dub sound that can play like Java. No way. Don't want no one dub sound to have no clash when we know it. Hey, I want a sound that can ram dance all like a stage show. And I know that Java is the nicest and the sweetest sound. Sound boys, you know that Java is the nicest and the sweetest sound. Sound boy, no. Sound boy. sound. No way. Don't want no ice cream sound. To have a clash with we, no way.
I tell you.
I want a sound, yeah, to play me rubber duck from in the morning till the dawning. You know Java have the nicest and the sweetest sound. Sound boy, you know that Java is the nicest and the sweetest sound in a town.
Johnny Osbourne. Now as we come out to that, we're going into the man himself. King Kong. I want you to listen to them, King Kong. Yeah. King Jammies. Go and listen.
Yeah, man, them finna say Java nuclear. Yeah, man, well prepared. Yeah, man, and we not give them no share. I just music. Yeah, man, and we are say Colonel, big up yourself. I want some sound boy, I go do now. A jumbo in the area. Chew rubber dub on the corner. Oh.
King Kong. Listen, King Jammies.
Trouble again, Java nuclear, I go done them. Boo, worries again, Java nuclear taking over. Boo, Ukraine a leak a shot and we say Russia leak it back. It look like the world war gone on top, but Java nuclear him a launch he attack. A fling rubber dub and this a sound can't flap. Trouble again, Java nuclear in the area. Worries again, champion sound in other clash, yeah. Whoa, make them know this a sound can't flop. I'm only per here, we tell them about that.
But
Java nuclear said, come here, chop. Chop it a chop, no turning back. We whop them again. Java nuclear in the area.
King Jammies.
Trouble again, it look like the world war take over. Them see down there and a scare. Java nuclear sound well prepared. I get some dub from here and there. Sweet reggae music gone this year.
Now as we move out to that into another King Kong, go and listen to them thing here. King Jammies studio, you know.
Yeah, man, it's all about Java sound. You don't know a jumbo. Yeah, man, you don't know a Colonel. Yeah, man, a King Kong, I endorse it. Run it, make we floss it. Hey, you man, how did I get over the star? I just legal things, I run things now. Whoa, whoa, just can't test we, just can't stop.
Voice of King Kong.
A legal job, a legal. Whoa, we no come here illegal. Hey, a legal job, a legal. Whoa, we a dancehall fee marshal. Hey, moving over there for some English pound. When you see me come, say no bother frown. Moving over there for some Yankee dollar. Make them know, say that we're not loacher. Illegal, illegal. No, Java sound of the general. Hey, illegal, illegal. No, we are dancehall general. Hey, cause we legal in America. And in Canada, legal in England. And in Jamaica, legal in Africa. And in Europe, legal all over. Hey, legal in England. Bo, jumbo boya. Hey, illegal, illegal. Bo, Java sound of the general. Hey,
for real, legal, illegal. The man himself, King Kong. So one, listen to that little here come. Still in the King Jammies thing, you know. Because like I said, whole heap of things. King Jammies, listen. Yes, people, go and listen.
No Java nuclear rule dancehall everywhere. We trust in the Almighty John, so we have no fear. Selector Jumbo, big up itself, and the messenger of Kabbalah. Select it.
Luce, King Jammies.
It was a crowded night, a night like this, when I walked into the dance hall. When I listened to the music played for me, played by Java Nuclear. As the music touched down in the lawn, brought tears down to my face. I said to myself that I must rise and tell the human race, 'cause I know Java Nuclear was made to serve Jah.
King Jammys, go and listen to them thing.
And forever we'll rule all over. Java Nuclear was made to serve Jah. Oh yeah, and forever we'll rule all over. Upon this road on which they trod to teach the word of God. The Bible is their only shield, and the music is their rod. We pray mankind would hear a voice and listen when the Java Nuclear call.
So you see the next dub me go play. Dub, yeah. 1986, the 19th of September. This is the dub what I played and killed all of them for the cup. I want you to listen to that dub, yeah. Because like me tell you, my dub box deep, you know, I have thousands of dub. Years within this from 1972. So this is what me use kill them at Acton Town Hall. The cup dance, listen to this. Hold on. I want to hear them dub, yeah. Because now the dub, see the evidence, yeah. Listen.
Dub is what I'm doing. You don't see, Java just smash up over this and take with the cup. Give me the cup, give me the cup.
And this me use bury them, kill them.
Oh, that the Java is playing.
Major Rories, Shaka Demos, King Ebra, listen.
Everything is alright.
Why? Murder! Come in here and come shock out you.
Listen.
Give it the cup,
come follow me.
Give it the cup, come give it the cup,
come follow me.
Give it the
Shaka Demos, Major Rories, King Ebra, 3-day hardware, listen.
Let my run, Lord, let my run, Lord, let my run, when Papa Java I come home. Lord, let my run, Lord, let my run, Lord, let my run, when Papa Java. If you see a sound boy round, tell them Papa Java chasing him. Round and round the dance hall. If you see a sound boy run,
I want you to listen to that dub, yeah. That we use, kill them, turn up the place upside down for them. Listen to this.
Java up, there's a run up Java up, I'm a run up socks. Java up,
run up and down, so why run up and down? You know said that the Java is like a burning song. Run up and down, so why run up and down? Run up and down, cause that the Java a come. Me bring some 45, but me never play one. Me bring some LP, but me never play one. I stick you rubber up and my some any session. Them have to run up and down, cause that the Java a come.
Major Rories, listen to it.
Nothing me mouth up here, rigs me a fling down. You don't say major words and Jack they must just come. Along with King, every girl say man so no. Run them a run when Papa Java come. Run them a run when Jack they must come. Them a be run, lall them a be run, lall them a be run when Papa Java come.
Them have to run when we are playing. Them get the full sound the night there, 6 stack of 6. I remember we turn Acton Town Hall upside down with them in there. Remember me tell you, earthquake, we are playing with quality, right? Enough sound can play bass, you know. But you see, we play the 3, enough people can play tops and mid-range. And that we play quality. So listen to the next piece we're going to play. Listen to this. Final one. Listen. Come in, Georgie. Come talk to them.
Dance last year, I know this is Java Nuclear Sound. Big up the man called Jumbo and I the outlaw through, so we'll passing through. Lord of mercy. Selassie. Undercover lover, we's a undercover lover. Java nuclear sound him in the area. Undercover lover, we's a undercover lover. Java nuclear sound in the bout ya. Me say your mother and your father and your sister and brother. Puss and your dog, them and that them seller. Java nuclear, this a sound no follow. Anywhere we go, people jump and prance. Java nuclear control the dance. Undercover lover, we's a undercover lover, yes. Java nuclear sound bad bout ya. Outlaw Jonesy will up on the microphone. When your side jumbo, just leave him alone. How we make the girl, them a dance on them toe. And I wheel up themself like a ribbon bow. Who no beg no get a me say, who no get no water on the microphone. A Java nuclear Josie chant. Undercover lover, we's a undercover lover. Java nuclear with the bout ya. In a England, in a France, Arena, Japan. And anywhere we pass, people shake off we hand. Remember Jumbo, we are the rum dance man. We rum dance a east and then we rum it in a west. Anywhere we pass, man, them say we are the best. Woman in a dress, man in a vest. Tell the whole of them, man, it's no contest. It's just undercover lover, me's a undercover lover. Java nuclear bad bout ya. And who a DJ, no the one Jonesy wheel. You know this a DJ, man, him can't go to jail. We have the lyrics wholesale and have them retail. We put them on a ship and then we send them go sail. Hey, undercover lover, we's a undercover lover. Java nuclear sound bound ya. Undercover lover, we's a undercover lover. Yes, Jumbo Josie Will, you know we bad bound ya, man. We bad in the east and then we big in the west. Anywhere we pass, man, them say we are the best.
Yo. Well, man, I tell you, sir. You see when it comes to Siffa open box, as I tell you, say, yo, a mad thing I go on, you know, because, Java, what we can say, King, a world truck full of tune. I always want to say big respect, yeah, my King. Because you come like you can play a tune till morning. You see me? Yo, man, I tell you, it's like it does a warm up, my King. Straight up, man, because, you know, we have to talk it straight, you know. Java is a great song because we had the privilege of playing, you know, down I think it was I Wickham, and we play at Birmingham. And my mama tell us, no, pure niceness, King. You get me? So it's a privilege to have the man in the sound. You see me? On the big Siffa open box showcase with the great scientist selector. You see me? Yeah. So anyway, what you say, King?
Yes, man, that was a fantastic show. People, I'm glad hope you enjoyed the show. People, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Until next time, when we bring in another artist or another selector, Siffa Open Box Showcase out.